Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it seems that the January Patch Tuesday update is making or causing more errors and more problems depending on what you're using. And it actually goes all the way back to the cloud connections. We talked about it in a video where some of the problems with Microsoft 365 and many of the systems that actually connect to the cloud have a hard time connecting or working. Now it is interesting because one of the main problems that people see is that even the core apps of Windows have a hard time working. So some of you, I've tried mine. I've tried mine a few times, and like Notepad and so on. It seemed to work fine, but in a video that I made yesterday talking about the new features of the Notepad, you notice that Copilot didn't respond to my request, and there was a problem. Well, that would be part of some of the problems that people are having. Anything that connects to the cloud. It would seem that some people have error messages using the snipping tool. They try to snip something and it just doesn't work. Some apps are just saying, like the Paint app, for example, just saying, you need to connect to the Microsoft account if you want to do this or that. And even though you are connected and you can see your avatar on the app itself. So I think Microsoft has a lot of things to fix in this update, and we'll see what happens. Next week is going to be the week of the updates for bug fixes in Windows 11. So the update previews, and hopefully there will be fixes for all of that in there. Even though some emergency fix was released manually, it's more and more problematic. We see more and more feedback comments about things that aren't working right on the January 2026 updates. So this doesn't look good for the new year for Microsoft on Windows 11 right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.